In a land once devastated by livestock farming, the Loma Sagrada House is inserted using design strategies aimed at regenerating the environment and revitalizing the landscape in a sustainable manner. This initiative has uniquely improved the land, contrasting with typical construction sites that often harm the environment. Designed by Salagnac Architects, the construction of the house preserved soil integrity by minimizing earth movement. Structures on stilts allowed vegetation to grow even during construction. The main building is the residence itself, located on the southern slope of the hill, shielded from strong summer winds. Since the house is built elevated, it creates a void space continuing the forest, where temperature is reduced by the moderate breeze flowing through the house, enabling all spaces to be used without the need for air conditioning. Landscaping facilitated natural regeneration with permaculture areas and native trees, radically transforming the property. Here, the terrain slope is 35 degrees, and the triangular structure designed utilizes the terrain as one of its sides, resulting in only 2 foundation and support points on the ground in the cross-section. In the longitudinal direction, support points are aligned, responding to a modulation that organizes the entire house and made the production and installation of the 100% wooden structure efficient. "95% of the material is plantation wood, used in structures, floors, walls, ceilings, and furniture. Supporting Costa Rica's environmental goals, wood construction absorbs carbon dioxide, has no electromagnetic radiation, regulates ambient humidity, and generates feelings of comfort and tranquility, contributing to both human and environmental health. The use of metal and concrete was minimized as much as possible, reducing their impact on the environment. Natural stone is used in areas prone to moisture. At the hilltop, with the best views, is the recreation area. Pool, yoga room, and kitchen. These are modular wooden structures that follow the aesthetic of the main building. The Loma Sagrada House, with its 1,200 square meters of built area, connects with nature, integrating biophilia from its structural concept to the spatial quality of its interiors. The project is an example of environmental sustainability in harmony with human health.